Alrighty folks, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. Appreciate y'all taking y'all time to watch this video. Hey, this one's gonna be hopefully a little bit funny. Hopefully y'all see it a little bit funny. But the wife really brought up the idea to me doing a video on what race car drivers do when their car is in the shop. So hit that intro and let's get into it.
Yeah, it's a good girl. It's a good boy. Okay, go on. Go on. Yeah. I thank you for being in my video.
Yep. If I can't race, I might as well watch YouTube races until I get shaking big back. So we're just watching some YouTube drag racing at this point. Andy and Bean are watching with me too.
Double bulges too, look at that.
Yeah. Hi, Indigo.
What the hell are you doing out here?
Huh?
What the hell are you doing out here?
What are you talking about? I'm just out here getting some sun.
Yeah, okay. Helmet on and making car noises.
What are you talking about? I wasn't making no car noises.
Literally could hear you.
I'm just sitting here getting some sun.
I literally can hear you, and I don't even have my headphones on yet.
All right, if we can't get a cold start on the car, we can get a cold start on the Jeep. Y'all ready for this? Oh my God, that is so loud. Oh my God. All right, let's get a couple revs. Could you guys hear all that power? Oh my gosh. Hey, if you can't do it with the car, we could do it with the Jeep. On to the next skit. Bean. Let's race. All right, if I can't race at the track, I can race at home. All right, you ready? Indigo. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Ah, I'm winning. Let's go back this way. Come on, Bean. Beat me, Bean. Hey, if I can't race at the track, I can race my dogs at home. You know what I'm saying? Bean, are you tired? Are you at least tired? Are you at least tired? Huh? Bean. Indigo, are you tired? She's tired.
All right, so hopefully y'all find that video at least a little bit funny, a little bit hilarious, just hopefully. But you know, just something to do to keep the channel going, keep the content coming. Some of y'all liking the content, some of y'all not liking it because the views are going up and down. But I 100% appreciate everyone that is watching the videos, watching those ads. I know it's tough, but it does support the channel. It does support Shake and Bake 100% because everything from YouTube goes into Shake and Bake. You OG folks know that. But where we're at on Shake and Bake, it's 2 May today, and we're still waiting on the transmission to get built. So as soon as Sipple gets around to building my transmission, you know, I'm in a line with probably a laundry list of other people. I get it. And he's busy. And he also races cars. So it's a big balance here. But we are supposed to have it back before Rocky Mountain Race Week so we can make Rocky Mountain Race Week. So that's where I was Shake and Bake. No race content coming anytime soon. But as soon as I get the transmission back, y'all know we'll be right back out at the track, running her down and seeing what we can do. But that's going to do it for this one, folks. If you're stopping in for the first time, please check out the rest of the channel. If you like what's going on with the rest of the channel, do me them few things. Like, subscribe, smash the bell, shoot me a comment, share it on your social media. I'll definitely appreciate it. Shake and Bake will definitely appreciate it because every red penny from YouTube goes right back into Shake and Bake. That's it for this, folks. Till next time. Adios.